So what are the pros and cons of Invisalign? I think there are lots of pros to Invisalign. First of all, if you're asking me to be honest about it, I think it's probably more comfortable. And the reason why it's more comfortable is because if you're trying to move a tooth from here to here, braces pushes it kind of hard and then that force falls off. Pushes it kind of hard, the force falls off. Invisalign segments that movement out very, very slowly, and so the magnitude of force placed on the tooth is actually a more even force. So that's what makes it more comfortable a lot of times. I also think that there's a tremendous value hygienically to being able to take Invisalign trays in and out of your mouth. Braces accumulate plaque around them. It's difficult to clean around. Invisalign, you can take the aligners out and you can brush and floss normally. So there's a great hygienic advantage to it as well. There's also an advantage in terms of less emergency appointments. There's just less opportunity for breakage. With braces, sometimes even despite patients that follow our rules and don't eat really hard things or really sticky things, things can break. Well, with Invisalign, there's very few things that can break, and when they do break, they tend not to cause problems. They tend not to cause pain or discomfort. So there is also a comfort advantage there as well. The other thing I like about Invisalign, you can eat whatever you want and that goes back to the hygienic thing, you can clean your teeth after you've eaten them. So that's a huge thing as well. So in sum, there's some really great advantages to Invisalign. One, it's a little bit more comfortable. Two, you have more freedom to eat things that you want to eat. Three, it's easier to clean your teeth, and so the hygienic aspect is better. And then four, a lot of times it fits into people's lifestyles really well. So maybe they don't want people to know that they're doing orthodontic treatment. Invisalign is just a little more inconspicuous.